Since last weekend, Bitcoin surged, hitting the highest at 40,800 USD on June 15, 2021. BTC remains above 40,000 USD. This is by far the best news since the downturn in the past month. But does that mean that the bull market is coming? First, let us take a look at the news. MicroStrategy gambles on Bitcoin just after issuing $500 million. Again expand $1 billion. Musk thinks it can support Bitcoin payments again. 500 fishermen and farming families use Bitcoins to buy groceries, pay utilities in Venezuela. Goldman Sachs plans to provide Ethereum futures and options to its customers. It seemed that the bad news disappeared in an instant. Is this the market reaction? From the perspective of the crypto market, the demand and supply relationship of BTC is gradually improving. The market value of Bitcoin has returned to above 45%. The consensus will eventually flow to BTC. However, the current market sentiment has changed from greed to panic. People who trade in futures prefer to bet on shorts. Looking back, betting on shorts have to be cautious. On June 14, 2021, OKEX is the exchange with the highest liquidation amount. The total liquidation amount is up to USD 41,584,900. Therefore, the next step should be to focus specifically on the interval 38,700, 41,000. The bulk of this rise is due to the good news on the news side, which is the catalyst. However, based on the 7-day line on the chart, this wave has brewed for a very long time. The next focus point is the stability and whether it can withstand the pressure, especially above 42,500. In the vicinity, people start to dump and the selling orders take a higher percentage. If the interval does not break 41,500 rapidly, then the interval between 38,700, 40,500 will remain as before, where huge changes will be in the trend. Therefore, you are not recommended to put a big amount of asset into a long position. Less amount will do. Furthermore, based on the position data, the volume dropped significantly. Bollinger Bands narrow the opening. Ma moving average is moving closely. MACD barely operate the zero axis. K line is always located between the rail and the upper rail. Therefore, in the next period, Bollinger Bands opening will continue to put large, up to 42,000. Once the graph formed trumpet-shaped opening, bull market can be seen coming. So, 2 steps now. Whether it can stand firmly at 40,000, then see if it breaks 41,500, and lastly decide whether the bull market will be back.